Good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, and I'm going to read the remote learning lesson plan for today. So, for ELA, which you should spend about 1 hour on, you're going to begin your day by practicing foundations. Watch this video and practice echoing all of the sounds. And there's your link. Your mini lesson is about reading with expression. And here is your link to your mini lesson right there. For independent reading, you are going to log into Epic and read for 30 minutes. And here are all of your class codes. Here is your read aloud right here. And after listening to the read aloud, you're going to do some writing. You're going to answer these questions on a piece of paper. Don't forget to share your work with your teachers. Question 1, what are some of the garden helpers in the book? What are some of the pesky pests? Number 2, which animals did you find most interesting? Why? 3, the writer used 2 words that mean the opposite, harm and help. Talk about these 2 words and how they are important in this book. Here are some sentence frames to help you out. 1, blank is a garden helper. Blank is a pesky pet. 2, I liked the blank because blank. 3, blank harms the garden by blank. 4, blank helps the garden by blank. And here is also a word bank for you to use. So you can zoom in on the visual here to help you with your writing. For math, which you should also spend about 1 hour on, you're going to log into Clever and you're going to click on Extra Math and you're going to practice for 15 minutes. Here is your word problem of the day. My mom gave me 8 cookies. I got another 4 cookies from my dad. How many cookies in all? Then my sister wanted 2 cookies. How many cookies are left? Here is your mini lesson. Click here to watch a video to check your knowledge of 2D or two-dimensional shapes. Here is your activity. Complete your activity here. Click on this link. Here is this green link here. You can click on this if you need additional support or help with this. In science, we're going to talk about the life cycle of a butterfly. Watch this read aloud of The Very Hungry Caterpillar. Think about what this book can teach you about the life cycle of a butterfly. 1, what about this book is fictional? 2, what about this book is nonfiction? 3, author's purpose. Why did Eric Carle write this book? Click on this link right there to listen to the book. Here are some sentence frames to help you. 1, this book is not real because blank. 2, this book is real because blank. 3, Eric Carle wrote this book because blank. And here is a word bank to use for the author's purpose. Inform means to give facts or information. Persuade means to try and get someone to do something. And entertain means to give someone something to enjoy. So you're going to pick one of those 3 reasons to answer the question why Eric Carle wrote the book. In social studies, we're going to talk about voting today. Voting is a way we can work together to make decisions fairly. Don't forget, fair doesn't mean everybody gets what they want. It means everybody gets what they need. Try this. Listen to this read aloud of Amelia Bedelia's first vote, written by Herman Parrish. So click on this link right here, and you can listen to this great story about Amelia Bedelia. Do you remember some of the things on the class ballot for school election day? A ballot is a slip or sheet of paper on which a voter marks his or her chosen vote. And here is an example of a voting ballot. Now try this. Create your own ballot about your favorite pizza topping. For example, cheese or pepperoni. Give each family member a ballot and let them vote. When everybody is done, collect the ballots and add up the votes. Which topping has the most votes? Which had the least? Which is your favorite? Remember that when you vote, the choice with the most votes wins. It might not be what you want, but it is what everyone decided on. Here are your enrichment activities for the week. I believe I read math yesterday. There's also a couple of links to click on here for some additional math activities. Your art project for the week. Miss Coyle's art projects. I believe I read the first one was to use to create storyboard to create your own narrative about friends and family. You can incorporate the core values of consistency, respect, and empowerment into your storyboard. You can use the link or draw your own. Or you can create a piece of art about what you think the future will be like this visual here. Or you can design a game for friends and family to play together. Don't forget to share any of your work with Miss Coyle, and her email address is right up here. The music activity for the week, I read it yesterday. Your physical movement activities for the week are right here on this video. I will read the fourth prep enrichment activity for the week. You're going to watch the 2 video stories, Goldilocks and the 3 Bears and Little Red Riding Hood. And here are 2 links right here with the stories. Then, with a parent, fold a piece of paper into thirds, 3 columns. At the top of the left column, label it beginning. At the top of the middle column, label it middle. And at the top of the right column, label it end. Choose one video and write the title of the video under the word middle. Draw a picture from each part of the story to go under the title, beginning, middle, and end. With help, try to add a sentence to go along with the picture in each column. Don't forget to send your completed assignments to Mr. G, and here is his email address right there. There's also a health activity of the week, but I will read that tomorrow. And there is an ESL enrichment activity for the week if you click on this link right here. So don't forget to share all of your work with your teachers and have a wonderful day.